Hello, this is Huram Nasir and you're watching Optometry with Huram, and today's topic is about how to establish the best variance of wear, which is the first and initial part and stage of the subjective refraction. So let's start. So the first step in establishing best variance of wear, we have to occlude the one eye and we have to perform all the activity on the fellow eye. So right now, I'm not sure patients doesn't know that either he is myope or hyperope or astigmatic. So we are learning about that how to establish the best variance of wear. So for that sake, we will use the probe lenses. And what are the probe lenses? So I have the probe lenses or the trial lenses of the same power. Like I have plus 0.5 and I have minus 0.5. So I'm putting the plus 0.5 spherical. So can you see the third line properly or not?
No, it's not good.
Right. So patient is not comfortable with the plus lens. So it means that patient is not hypo. So I will put the same power lens, but with opposite sign, right? Minus 0.5. So tell me,
It's good.
It's good. So we ruled out that patient is myope because patient is, preferring the minus 0.5 spherical, which shows that patient is myope. So now we will increase with the interval of 0.25 or 0.5 until the patient will get maximum visual acuity. So this is how we establish the best variance of wear. But how to verify the best variance of wear? With the help of the Duochrome test. So just go in the description, click on the link and learn Duochrome test in just 2 minutes.